Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create a poll using the tool on Twitter. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the tweet button. You have a couple of things to look over here. So you have the add photo or media button, the GIF file, you have the poll button. All you have to do is click that button and ask a question at the top. Are you learning something new this year? And you can make a choice here, so we're going to say yes or no. And then you can have the poll set for the time, so 1 day. We're going to go ahead and select that there. We're going to go ahead and tweet that poll, and now that poll is going to be uploaded to your page. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.